bachas, how are you all? I hope you are all well and safe at your home. Okay, so now we are moving towards our unit number 7 in English 2. Okay, and that is poem number 7, Puppy and I. Okay, this is a very beautiful poem. Okay, in this I think the main character is that I only. Okay, here I is a child only, एक छोटा सा बच्चा है, and he is asking some questions to some people passing by, and afterwards he is getting the answers also, and he is replying to that questions also. So let us see about this. Now first of all, you know that what is a puppy. पपी क्या होता है? अ बेबी ऑफ अ डॉग इज कॉल्ड अ पपी, और वी कैन कॉल इट एज अ यंग वन ऑफ अ डॉग इज कॉल्ड अ पपी. जो कुत्ता होता है उसका जो बच्चा होता है, जो बेबी होता है, उसके बच्चे को क्या बोलाते हैं? पपी. आई नो दैट मैनी ऑफ यू लव्स पपी. ठीक है, आप लोगों को बहुत अच्छे लगते हैं ना पपी. येस, दे आर वेरी क्यूट वंस, है ना. सो लेट अस सी पपी एंड आई. Okay, I met a man as I went walking. We got talking, man and I. Here, there is no tone of this poem. Okay, so that is why only I am not reading the poem as well. So here, I met a man as I went walking. Okay, here the child is saying, you can see in the picture that one child is there with that orange t-shirt and navy blue pant. Okay, like shorts he is wearing. Okay, so now he is asking like, I met a man as I went walking. Means he is saying like कि मैं जब जा रहा था, I went walking, I met a man. When I was passing or when I was walking to somewhere, I met a man. जब मैं एक जगह जा रहा था तब मैंने एक आदमी को देखा, मैंने एक आदमी से मिला. We got talking. Here we means who? That a child and that man. So both got talking. मतलब दोनों बातें करने लगे, man and I. Okay, let us move to the next stanza. Where are you going to, man? I said. Now the kid is asking, the child is asking to that man. That man, where are you going? आप कहाँ जा रहे हो? I said to the man as he went by. Okay, so when the man was passing by, the child stopped there because the child was also going somewhere. And after meeting that man, the child is asking to him that where are you going, man? आप कहाँ जा रहे हो? Down to the village to get some bread. Now man is replying to the question to that child that down to the village to get some bread means he is going to the village to get some bread. मतलब कुछ खाने के लिए, कुछ यहाँ पे bread means not that bread which we are using while making the sandwiches or while having the sandwiches. That is not a bread here. In English, bread means roti. जब रोटी खाते हैं ना, अपने अपने कुछ खाने के लिए कुछ खाते हैं, दैट इज कॉल्ड ब्रेड ओनली. सो हियर दैट चाइल्ड इज आस्किंग लाइक, सॉरी, दैट मैन इज रिप्लाइंग डाउन टू द विलेज मीन्स आई एम गोइंग डाउन टू द विलेज टू गेट सम ब्रेड. ठीक है, मैं विलेज जा रहा हूँ, गाँव जा रहा हूँ कुछ खाने के लिए लेके आने के लिए. ठीक है, विल यू कम विथ मी? नाउ this there is no nothing has been given like who said the same thing, but here we have to assume this like this question had been asked by that man only. So now man is asking to that child, will you come with me? आप मेरे साथ आओगे? तो the child is replying, no, not I, means I am not going to come with you. Okay, so the child replied, नहीं, मैं आपके साथ नहीं आऊँगा. ठीक है, let us move to the next line. I met a horse as I went walking. Now, so the child denied it, that refused to man that I am not going to come with you. Then again he starts walking. That child is continuously walking. Okay, now in the way again he met a horse. Okay, the child met a horse as I went walking means when the child was going again the child met a horse. एक घोड़े से मिलता है फिर बच्चा. We got talking. Now you can see in the picture as well. देखो in the picture that horse and child is the horse and child are talking. Okay, so now both got talking. ठीक है, horse and I. Where are you going to, horse, today? Now again the child is asking to that horse like where are you going to, horse? घोड़े आप कहाँ जा रहे हो? I said to the horse as I went by. So when I was passing by to that horse, the child is saying, the child asked the same question, where are you going to, horse? आप कहाँ जा रहे हो? तो he asked the same question to horse also. down to the village to get some hay. To get some hay. Okay, so here the horse is replying. This line has been stated or has been said by that horse only. So now horse is saying down to the village to get some hay. Hay. Hay का मतलब होता है घास. You know that ना, horse eats grass, that hay only. ठीक है, घोड़ा घास खाता है ना. Yes, so that horse was also going to the village to get some hay. वो घास लेने के लिए, घास खाने के लिए, लेने के लिए he was going to the village. Now horse is again asking to that child, will you come with me? आप आओगे मेरे साथ? Shall you come with me? आप मेरे साथ आओगे? No, not I. So again the child is replying, no, I will not come with you. Okay, मैं आपके साथ नहीं आऊँगा. Now next stanza, I met a puppy as I went walking. Again, देखो, here you have to remember the order. First of all, the child met a man. After the man, child met a horse. And lastly, the child met a puppy. देखो, the cute picture is there with him, है ना? The child and a puppy is in like a good mood only. Okay, so they are like they became a friends now. Okay, so now I met a puppy as I went walking. So again, after meeting two horse, the child continuously walking. Okay, he went walking. Now we got talking, puppy and I. So again, after that, after horse, the child met a puppy and after meeting him they start talking. वो लोग ने बातें शुरू कर दी. Okay, now where are you going this fine day? So again I said to the puppy as he went by. So as puppy was also going, the child asked the same question to that puppy also, that puppy, where are you going? आप कहाँ जा रहे हो? Okay, up in the hills to roll and play. So now that's a different answer, because both that man and horse had replied that they were going to village to get man was going to village to get the bread, and that horse was going to village to get the hay only. But now that's a unique answer which is coming from the puppy, and puppy said like, I am going to the hills to roll and play. मतलब मैं तो ऊपर हिल्स में, ऊपर पहाड़ियों पे जा रहा हूँ. किस लिए जा रहा हूँ? He is not going there to get something. He was going there to play only. वो तो वहाँ पे खेलने जा रहा था. ठीक है, roll and play मतलब मैं बहुत खेलूँगा, रोल करूँगा, हिल्स के ऊपर खेलूँगा. So that way the puppy gave the answer. Now I'll come with you, puppy, said I. So here देखो, in this line the puppy has not asked the child to come with it, है ना? यहाँ पे puppy ने पूछा नहीं कि चलो आप मेरे साथ आओगे, but यहाँ पे automatically only after getting the answer from the puppy, the child is replying that I'll come with you, puppy, मैं आपके साथ आऊँगा. ठीक है? So here it's a beautiful poem and the poet's name has been given there, A. Milne. ठीक है? This is the poet's name. So here it's a very very beautiful poem. Okay, here some of the new words are also there, but no doubt I am going to give you the new words of this same thing. ठीक है? So यहाँ पे देखो, what thing you got to learn. आपको क्या पता चला? देखो, the child loves like we can say that playing. Okay, child loves playing. So यहाँ पे बाकी के दोनों तो बेकार कामों के लिए जा रहे थे. So child was not interested at all to go with them. Okay, but that puppy was going to play only. So that is why the child lastly joined the puppy and they went together to that hills for playing. Okay, फिर वो दोनों के दोनों वहाँ पे गए play करने के लिए. Okay, so that was a very very beautiful poem. I hope that no doubts will be there from your side, because it's the easiest poems I have ever taught. Okay, चलो. So now फिर भी if some doubts are there, just note them, and whenever our lecture will be there, you can share the doubts with me. Okay, चलो बेटा, your ma'am is signing off now. Okay, bye bye.